Hey there, All Things MSP crew. Welcome back. We are at Kaseya Connect IT Global, and it's a great show so far. And we're going to be interviewing a couple of MSPs, a couple of vendors, and of course, we have a special episode right now. We have Kass from Blumira, who is a brand new sponsor of All Things MSP. So give them a big welcome.
Thank you.
Kass, thank you for being here.
Oh, my pleasure. Thank you for having me.
How has Kaseya Connect been with you for so far?
So far, it's been great, actually. I love the fact that we're seeing a lot of new MSPs and having some really good in-depth conversations.
Yeah, it seems like the conversations in the hallways, which are always good, and the trade show floor have kind of gone up a notch this year, in my opinion.
I agree. When I first started, I could be very surface with a lot of my discussions. Now I find that the questions are getting definitely more in-depth, and they're really testing my product knowledge.
Well, and you've been with Blumira how long now?
I've been there just over 2 years.
Okay. I know it's been a little bit, because you came over. Now, you guys are new sponsors, so we haven't really had a chance to do the elevator pitch yet here on All Things MSP. So give me the quick rundown of what Blumira does for an MSP.
So what Blumira does for an MSP is we are a SIM-forward security platform. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure you're covered by offering a lot of different variety of things. We've grown exponentially over the last couple of years. We now offer EDR capabilities. We have host isolations. We have SOC options now, and we are coming out with even more than that.
So you guys are kind of taking a different approach to it than most security platforms then?
Yes, we are. So with what really sets Blumira apart from other SIMs that are out there right now is a lot of the SIMs in the market became, they were enterprise. And so now they go from these big conglomerates and they try to scale down for smaller MSPs and SMBs. Blumira was built for SMBs, and we grow with you. We scale up as you grow, which makes it so much easier because we are more manageable. We are a plug and play, and so it's just one of those set us and forget us.
So, and that's really important because when you're talking about SMBs and MSPs who, of course, serve SMBs for the most part, we have a lot of MSPs who are moving up market now, which is great, but you're right. A lot of those enterprise tools, especially the ones around SIM, really do have a problem scaling down to the smaller customers. So it makes a lot of sense to have something that kind of starts with SMB and then can grow with them. So what are some of the other kind of features that are really attractive to an MSP?
Big features are just our step-by-step playbook responses for the findings. Not to mention we are per user pricing, so it's not consumption based. So we want you to send us all of your logs because the more we find, the better. We're going to look through everything. We're going to know where the threats are coming from. And we're also going to look for things like impossible travel. So the more you send us, the better, and we're not going to charge you for it. We don't have like certain amounts that we're going to sneak in there and overcharge, things like that. So it just, what you're going to pay for at the end of each month. So there's no surprises, which is huge. But then we're also going to hit your compliance levels, your CMMC2, your NIST, your CGIST, your PCI. We come in there and we help you with all those as well.
And that's where a lot of times the enterprise solutions become more expensive, is because they are charging for everything that they're ingesting. And so it sounds like modifying your pricing model to match MSPs as well, not just the feature stack, is part of the success.
Right. Plus, we have so many already preset detection rules, and so you're not having to do that yourself. We already have them there. We have them set up. We have ones that are already enabled, ones that are already disabled that you can go on and enable if you want. So you can control some of those noise levels yourself.
That's great.
And like I said, we try to make it so you don't need an entire team to run us.
Okay, now one of the problems I've seen with SIMs in the past and MSPs is onboarding. So how easy is it to onboard with Blumira?
We can actually be onboarded in hours rather than weeks, days. We've even heard horror stories of just months that it's taken to onboard a SIM. Yeah, we're hours, so you can get us up and going. The most I've seen, if you have really large clientele, maybe a couple days at the top.
Wow, that's great, because I know that has always been a concern with an MSP who's trying to implement SIM, was onboarding, because it just seems like For the enterprise, they have a lot of professional services where they go in and they charge you
Yes.
for onboarding.
Up to $5,000, I heard today.
Right.
That blew my mind. We don't charge for onboarding. It's just part of our package.
That could be per ingestion source,
Mm-hmm.
is what I've seen in the past. So you have even just 4 or 5 ingestion sources, and you can get up into 20, 30,000
Yep.
pretty quickly.
Yes. So it's just it's all included in what you get from us. We have top-notch support too. So we're always here to help you. If you need help with, getting onboarded, we have a special team that's going to help you with all that, give you best practices. And then at the end of the day, once you're onboarded with us, that's where I come in and I'm going to do specialized training with your company if you need it. We offer a lot of different training now, lunch and learns. We offer training even for sales teams to help your sales team grow and to learn how to sell a SIM.
That's awesome. Now, I also know that one of the other places where MSPs have sometimes faltered with traditional SIM products is in the interpretation of the data. What do you guys do to help them with that part?
So we have amazing reporting. We don't hold your logs hostage. So you're always going to be able to go into your reporting. We're going to be able to look things up. We have a lot of integrations, and we also have an API. So
Okay.
because you can't keep up with the new products that are
Right.
coming out, so we can't always keep up with the integrations, but we do have an API that you're going to be able to go in there, and you're going to have more control over all that. But at the end of the day, should you need our help, like I said, we have 24/7 SOC that's there to support you, and we have features such as our Investigate, which you can actually look up users by, it logs by username, IP address, all that information. So should you have somebody that you may think was nefarious with your stuff, you can look them up by name.
That really helps. And especially, I know the API is probably very useful because a lot of MSPs are kind of DIY tech people. And so I really bet that they like
Yes.
the ability to be able to manipulate it like that.
Yes, when we came out with that, they were just thrilled to be able to get in there and be able to do it. Because like I said, we can't keep up with all the integrations in there too. We can always ingest your logs, but if we
Right.
don't have an integration, we're not going to be able to parse them. So now
Right.
you can go in there in the API and you have more control over all of that.
Gotcha. Now, you mentioned a SOC.
Yes.
What does it look like to interact with your SOC?
So we have a 1-hour SLA.
Okay.
But our response times throughout the week are generally under 20 minutes. We're very, very responsive, and like I said, we get praised all the time for how great our SOC team is.
Awesome. Now, one of the key features that most MSPs look for is how are they going to integrate this into their stack? And so what types of integrations do you have, like with PSAs and things like that?
So fair enough. We just came out with our Autotask PSA integration, which is wonderful, and it's a two-way integration. So you
That's
don't
nice.
actually have to leave one platform and go to the other in order to do things like close tickets and service them. So it makes it so convenient because with all the products out there, like we were saying, you don't want to have to jump from dashboard to dashboard to dashboard to
Right.
dashboard. So it's great that we have our PSA integrations. We also, so we're going to ingest logs a few different ways. We have our endpoints in our server integration. We have, of course, tons of different cloud connectors, things like that. And then we have our sensor integration. So that way we're going to collect your syslog as well. We want full dynamic into your system so that
Yep.
we can watch for everything.
Exactly. So that's great because I know, especially, with the PSA, it is really helpful for them to be able to see all of that in one place. I think somebody called it one time dashboard fatigue.
Yes.
Them having to switch back and forth. So that really does help. And of course, you guys are announcing it here
Yes.
at Kaseya Connect, I assume. And it's a great place to do that. I have a place in my heart for Autotask because that was my PSA when I was an MSP.
Nice.
And so it's glad to see that, those things are continuing to evolve in the
Yes.
Autotask product.
Yes, definitely, because it's definitely more difficult to integrate with PSAs if you're trying to use an API and things like that. So
Right.
we are building those out to try to get them so that it just makes it easier. We want to make it, and I don't like to use the word easy because everyone knows SIMs are not easy.
Right.
What I like to say is we are very manageable.
Gotcha. And that is what makes the difference, because SIM has traditionally been a really complicated thing, especially to do at the smaller scale.
Yes.
So
And I'm excited too, because next week we're making a very big announcement on some, when it comes to noise levels, on what we're doing to actually reduce those noise levels. So we're coming out with that next week. So hopefully everyone pays attention and gives us a listen.
Well, I know that as soon as you guys announce it, we'll be announcing it here on All Things MSP, because that is one of the benefits of you guys being a sponsor now.
That's exciting.
We are really excited to have you guys on board and excited to start the relationship and see what we get up to in the next year.
Yeah. I'm really happy and I'm really excited, and I can't wait to see what's going to happen now that we're on board with this.
Yeah, it's going to be fun. I can promise that. Well, thanks, Kass. If they want to find out more about Blumira, how do they do that?
You go to blumira.com. And you can find out all different kinds of things. I'm on LinkedIn, Kass Lawrence. You can find me, and I will always be able to answer any questions. Or you can even stop by one of our booths if you're at an event. We go to several of them. And lastly, klawrence@blumira.com for any information.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.